Hey, welcome everybody to Plumbing with Tim. Twice the fun, no hassle. So today I'm going to share with you my personal 4-ingredient drain cleaning cocktail, so you're not going to want to miss this. Okay, so here's what you're going to need. Real quick, we're going to show you this. You're going to need yourself a large stock pot, all right? As well as some vinegar, any kind of vinegar. Some baking soda, a measuring cup, tablespoon cup, and some Alka-Seltzer. Okay, so first of all, you're going to want to take your stock pot and bring it up here, fill it 2/3 of the way full, set it on the stove and bring it to a rolling boil. I have a pitcher here, or you can use a large bowl of some sort. We're going to take our vinegar and a cup, and we're going to put a quart of vinegar into this pitcher, which is 4 cups. After I do that, I'm going to take my baking soda and I'm going to put 3 tablespoons and mix that up nice and generously inside of there. After that, we're going to go ahead where the problem is. This is a solution and a recipe and a cocktail for tubs, showers, and kitchen drains. Okay, so now that you have the pitcher that's got the 1 quart of vinegar as well as 3 tablespoons of your baking soda in your pitcher and it's mixed up really nice and everything like that, we're going to head over to where the tub is, and at that time we're going to take 2 packages of our Alka-Seltzers. There's 2 in each, so there's a total of 4. We're going to take and we're going to toss those Alka-Seltzers down where the drain is, and then take and nice and carefully dump our little cocktail down in there and let it set up for about 10 minutes. So now that we know that our cocktail has been sitting in our drain for about 10 minutes, usually we can get back to the stove where our stock pot is. All right, the reason why we fill this up to 2/3 of the way full, because we don't want this sucker to be boiling hot and I have to carry a full stock pot across the house, spilling it and burning ourselves. So we're going to take that stock pot over to where that tub or that shower is, or the kitchen, and we're going to dump it down there and see what happens. Now, if you still have a slow drain after this, repeat as we just went through these steps. After that point, if you're still having problems with your draining slowly, at this time you might want to call a licensed plumber to come out and to snake that line out. Guys, don't forget, always exercise safety, and if you're uncomfortable and you don't feel safe doing this at any time, stop what you're doing and call yourself a licensed plumber. And when he gets there, make sure that he isn't pulling some sort of Drano or liquid plumber or some kind of garbage and putting it down there. If that's how he plans on getting the clog taken care of your house, tell him you don't want his service and call somebody else and explain to them on the phone before they waste the time driving over there that you do not want harmful chemicals put down your drain. So there you guys have it, my 4-ingredient drain cleaning cocktail. I got them all day long. I hope this video has helped you out in some way or another. It's been kind of entertaining. Make sure to give me a thumbs up, share with a friend, comment, and don't forget to subscribe down below. Listen, never pour bad and harmful drain cleaning solutions down your drain, such as Drano or liquid plumber, because it's bad for your pipes and it's bad for your health and the environment, as I've showed you in other videos. So thank you so much for stopping by, and until next time, this has been Plumbing with Tim. Keep plumbing.